Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set learning phrases on the Memrise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the learning settings button, and in the words and phrases per session option you can find the learning, and you can select different numbers, the 3, 5, 7 or 10. Actually I use the 5, but if you want to select the 7, just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.